Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now click on this A icon over here, and as you can see, now it's white. That means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same icon. But you can also go into Settings, scroll down, choose Display and click on Brightness Level. Now tap on the switcher next to Automatic Brightness feature. If the switcher is blue, it means that auto brightness is on. If you wish to turn it off, just tap on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!